All right, back to the LED light grill install. So I had to make these. I'm trying to move slow so you can see what I did. I used the standard brackets that came with it. And then I had to make this bracket, and then I bent it a little bit to go there, and drilled, pre-drilled, and run a screw in there. And then if you look at the other side, pretty much had to do the same thing here. And then I had my lights where they're not all the way to here, but kind of in the center, so that gives me a little bit more floodage out this way and out that way when I'm back on the dirt road. And here, and of course, off on the ranch too. And then you'll see I did the same thing here, and I bent this a little bit. That's just 1-inch aluminum channel with stainless steel screws, and of course the screws that are supplied with the rough country kit. And that's going to be about it, other than, let's see, I'm going to put you on the tripod here instead of doing the one-handed shuffle. And I want to put a got one of these that you can put a a zip tie through. I dropped my zip tie. You can stick that on the surface, and then this go through here like that, or like that, depending on which way you need it. So for right here, what I want to do is kind of neat and tidy up my wires. I don't like a lot of stuff laying around too much. That should do right there, and nip that off a little bit. And what I want to do is I'm gonna put a little one twisty right here. Twisty, I don't know why I'm calling them twisties. They're zip ties to keep it away from that. I did rub the edge off of that, but I just don't want it rubbing there. So the next thing I'll do is I'll find the end of this big ball of wire here. There's my two plugs. Oh, one plug. There's the other plug. Get it unfurled. And I'm not going to spend too much time showing you where I'm going to route this to. I'm just going to give you an idea of where I am. I'm going to see if I can lower you down a little bit more. There you go. There's a hole right here. I'm going to come in through there with my two plugs. And let me get that pushed through. That's going to be fun because it's not real easy to reach that. I touched it right away. There it is. There it is. There it is. This will be the part where the editing would be great, because I'm trying to grab it with some pliers. Just a minute. I thought I had some pliers here, but I didn't. If you're gonna make a video, you want to try and have all your stuff handy. Don't grab hold of it too hard, otherwise you can damage the. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll run my wires around here, and then I'll find a spot right back here that I can ground. I'm gonna go up here and along the firewall, and I will probably zip tie to that, and come down here and go in through the back side of that boot right there, and then I'll put my switch on the dash just under the steering wheel. So hope that helps you guys, and I'll see y'all later on the next video.